Hi guys, welcome to another Niri. So let's start with the beginning. There are two videos about Niri, right? One before this is our take on it. This is Noctalia. It's some kind of framework that you put over Niri and then it applies and it feels like a complete desktop with all kinds of settings up here, in here, right? Lots of things you can select. We'll get into that later. Beginning is how do we get it, right? Ctrl+E is going to launch the ArchLinux Tweak Tool. Make sure you update. Yes, I was already trying to record earlier on and that kept there. So in the desktop Wayland, there is one guy that we completely have built and is ready to release, right? And the other guys are actually also ready to release, but we'll call them beta, right? A work in progress. They're all installed on this machine. They can all coexist, but it's not clickable, right? We're going into a holiday season, so recess, which means wind down, which means let's give them to you, play with it, see if you like it, right? And give us feedback maybe for things that are not working yet, but the major things are working, like you want to get out, to get in, to get out, right? Then the menus, the applications, all the key bindings, the help, the assist, Ctrl, Super, S. Learn about Niri. Okay, Super Q is close menu and all that, right? There will be mistakes in here, but the bulk, right? 80–90% of the things will be probably just fine. How do we get this, right? Not via this. And this gives me already the opportunity to show. I have two things open. Yeah, okay. And that number 3. Super enter, enter, enter. This is basically what Niri is. It keeps on opening to the right. And super arrow to the left is moving me back to here, right? Super Q is killing everything till I have 1 left. How do I get this thing? Sudo backman -s. There are 2 Niris. That's one. That's this thing. And My Niri is my thing, right? The default look, something like Hyperland, looks like similar, right? It does not tile similarly. It's Niri, right? So to get this one, if you want this one, it's gonna be called kiro-niri. It's gonna say it's already installed. Well, all right. That's how to get it. If there are conflicts, you remove things that should not be there, etc., right? Because so many things can happen on your system, and that's not a Kiro thing. That's a Pacman thing, right? Pacman says this conflicts with that, and then you need to figure it out. Okay. Are you now installed? Advice number 2. So Kiro ATT. It's there. It shows us that everything is actually working. You see the system. I can show you this as well. It's all installable next to each other. 1 year ago, that was unthinkable, right? And it was frustrating. And I said, okay, never mind Hyperland, never mind Wayfire, never mind Wayland altogether. It was frustrating as a developer to make things work together. Today, they're all working. Not only that, X11 is there as well. My OMHLWM, my own creation, and my X11 go-to for the headquarter PC, XFCE, all fine, right? So that's important to know if you want to experiment, that you know not in any danger, really, that everything is going to fail, right? What else? I think it's about time to show you, right, what Noctalia is. I think you're probably now, after hearing this and doing what I told you, you have kiro-niri. You can log out, log in into this one, kiro-niri, and then it's up to you to learn this. I myself must learn this as well. This is not my creation, right? Very clear, this is Noctalia, it has its own GitHub, and all the questions should go to the guy on GitHub, not me. So we have here all kinds of things. It's useful and interesting things. Gives us some information, some intel about our system. But as you see, it's the same thing, right? All three, 1, 2, 3. Voila, fine. The wallpaper is actually nice in the sense that there's an effect I can't record. OBS Studio is not on then, but you'll see when you get the owl what I mean. It's a nice little trick that I do. OBS Studio is here, Network Manager is here, Variety. It's time to change the wallpaper, right? And then a right mouse click, next, for example. We have here the notification history. There is sound here, volumes, devices, works just fine. Just listen to my own video talk, right? So it's working. And then we have this enable, disable. I found not disable, but the brightness, which in my case, right, it's not applicable. And then the control center, which looks awesome with wired connection to Bluetooth. The wallpaper selector, I have no wallpapers. Variety is getting them. It's nice to show you, but you need to put a wallpaper somewhere. I'm not sure where we should put the wallpaper, so it's by default on. So all these things is up to you. Learn it, right? Learn it. And here we are already with the settings, but we were still looking around here. So we got the Noctalia performance mode, just a click and then performance mode is enabled. And then notifications, profile, power profile, keep awake, and all these sound things, set the location to know the weather, and some things in here. And this, I don't know, music or something, I don't know. So this button here is the total package, right? Lots of things. We've created a lot of key bindings ourselves. That's not what the key binding is for, I think. Configure global notifications for something else. So I'm just going to show you, like I said, it's not my creation, right? So if anything fails or anything not working, it's also very important to know the stable one. There seems to be number 4 one, there is another one, number 5 one. So I've chosen to go for the stable one, the 4.77, and not the 5. So you can play around with that and fail. Or not, right? It always is tricky, and it's super to get this. It means we are back to being a noob, right? Being a first timer, looking at this and wondering, how does this work? And it's the learning that is intriguing and fun. So all kinds of things we can try out and test and see, what will this do? Will this work? How will it feel? How will it react on a laptop? How will it react on a desktop? All kinds of things. I can put on my locate now thing here to know what's the weather in Antwerp, but not gonna to. Let's go structurally, right? So you see the video and say, okay, this is not my thing, or it is. And so we have all that one, this one. Let's make this, I need to scroll. And you can stop the video and say, okay, what does it say? Okay, screen corners. From time to time, I'll play around with it, right? So 100% adjust the round corners of the screen. Okay. Panels, opacity. This color scheme I've been playing with. So Capuchin is our choice, basically. I think it comes out of the box. This one, I think. It says default, so I think it's this one. Didn't really like that one, so Capuchin is now the default. That's the only thing I changed, okay? That's just to have something I like, basically. Color schemes. I haven't touched any of those guys, right? Ooh, right? Lots of fun. Wallpapers. all kind of transitioning things. Animation. From time to time you get, this is for me, right? Don't know when it kicks in, or is it up there? Ah yeah, the menu bar up here to the left. This is definitely for me. With this one I'm happy. Which is spacing as well. I've played around with the other one as well. You have to look here and here. A little bit more room. I've put the dock at the bottom at some point in time. I did like the style to be attached, floating. Not this one, I think. I don't know which one I was playing around with. Doesn't matter. I'm here to show you everything that's available, and then you decide. Control Center. If you install Noctalia or not. So other things, I can leave things out, it seems. The launcher. There's a little rocket there. The native icons are off. No. I would think not, anyway. Right? Learn. Clipboard. Execute. Notifications. All kinds of things. Thank God the sound is off. On-screen display. Our lives are already filled with a lot of noises. Bing, bing, bong, ding, ding, dong. Okay. Idle, what will it do? Audio, all kinds of things. So you get the feeling if you see this, and I probably if you see the video, then you say, this feels quite complete. I would not know what else to add, right? All the things that are in the air with Bluetooth system. Almost there, guys. All right, so that's it from me. And all the rest, of course, you have to learn about Niri itself. Super enter, 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 enter. It just comes to the right, and a super arrow to the left is making me move all over things, right? The corner up here is interesting to have an overview. What is open? What was I doing again? Okay, I was actually recording, and I'm gonna stop. Enjoy the new DWL things that we've all put online. It's not clickable since it's still a work in progress, but actually, right? Actually, they're quite good already, and play around with it, see if you like it, and I'll see you back later after our holiday recess, and we'll develop with August the next ISO for September. All right, cheers.